We're standing here with my dear brother Baruch, with the Youngest Partisan. Baruch, we were all waiting for this day. The day that the Youngest Partisan is released. Everybody kept on asking, when is it coming into stores? Here it is.
Finally, Baruch Hashem. Okay, Chaim, so as you know, The Youngest Partisan is the true story of Rami Cohn. Rami was just a young buck when the Holocaust broke out. Not only did he survive the war, he actually saved 57 families during the war on his own. He supported them, he took care of them, falsified papers for them. After when he was caught by the Gestapo, he joined the partisans and actually killed many, many, many Nazis. And we all know after the Holocaust, he came to America, he supported a yeshiva, built an organization that's still around, Karen Avraham Cohen, and he did over 35,000 bris milas. He was an amazing person, and because of that, we made an amazing film for him. It was the highest budget film by many, many times in the film world.
Can you tell my viewers what the budget was? Everybody keeps on asking.
It was almost $1 million budget.
Wow.
Took 2 years to make.
$1 million budget.
Yeah.
2 years, and it's out now.
It's out now. So tens of thousands of people have already watched it. Everybody that watched it has been inspired by it. It's a beautiful film. Of course, we see him at Nitri Yeshiva, Puppy Yeshiva. I don't want to ruin too much of it. But now that the USB is out, of course, we have behind the scenes, interviews with the actors, the music video and all. But for the very first time, we actually added something over here, which is, we have a beautiful book over here.
That's the first, right?
It's the first time such a thing was done. We have the biographies we have over here of Rami Cohn.
Wow.
And we have, of course, Leopold Cohn's father.
So Rami's father.
We have the Puppy Ruv, he learned in Puppy Yeshiva. We have The Night to the Ruv, a biography of each one of them, Reb Michal Ber. A beautiful biography.
That's, of course, you, the actor.
Of course. And we have a beautiful biography of all of them. But then we have behind the scenes.
Wow.
Beautiful pictures and a description how everything's done.
So you have a whole write-up about the cast and the crew.
The cast, the crew. That's the cast over there. Here we have the crew, how everything was done, how this entire film was done.
That's amazing. That's
then
amazing.
we have, of course, all the locations, how we got these locations and everything. Wow. Of course, the tanks, the battle, Slovakia.
Let's not give it away too much, Baruch. For the people who didn't watch it yet, you know?
It is a beautiful, and of course, there's Chaim.
We made it onto the back cover.
Now, we should do a giveaway, really, to see who knows who that actor is. He's very famous in the film world, but he doesn't really act much. He came to act on The Youngest Partisan. It's really, really beautiful. It's an amazing story, and it was about the Holocaust, but it's brought out in a beautiful way. Everybody that watched it was inspired, and I think that watching this is a must for everybody. You know, it's not for younger children.
Who is it for, Baruch? People keep on asking me, Chaim, what age is it for?
I would say 10 and up, maybe 12 and up, maybe 13 and up.
But from 13 and up, you should watch it.
13 and up, I think that everybody should watch it. Everybody should watch it. We've had, this past Motzei Shabbos, somebody sent me a video of his grandmother, a Holocaust survivor, watching it.
That's really
I spoke to Holocaust survivors that watched it. They've loved it.
Wow.
All the way down to 10-year-old children. Everybody that watched it was inspired. But I think, Chaim, we should give a giveaway. What do you think?
Let's do it. We're in the giveaway mode. So we're going to give a giveaway. Whoever knows that actor
Whoever knows who he is.
That corner actor. Whoever knows who this is.
That one over there.
That one over there.
And Reb Michal Ber Weissmandel, who's featured in the film, after the Holocaust, he came to America and he established a yeshiva. I think we should make 5 raffles for whoever knows the yeshiva that Michal Ber reestablished, and where it was. Swipe up, respond over here, and you will enter. 5 people are going to enter for a free USB of The Youngest Partisan.
Baruch, thank you. So 1 minute. So whoever knows that actor goes
one
raffle. But if you know Reb Michal Ber opened the yeshiva and what the yeshiva is called, 5 raffles. Swipe up, respond to it. You're going to go into a raffle.
And I think without a doubt, this is the best Hanukkah gift that you could buy anybody. And of course, everybody, a freiliche Hanukkah.
Thank you, Baruch, a freiliche Hanukkah. Everybody can buy it by wherever Jewish videos are sold.
Every store, groceries, Judaica stores, toy stores, wherever you could buy Yiddish films, you could buy The Youngest Partisan. Amazing. Or, of course, at mostlymusic.com.
Of course. people are going to be watching this on all platforms, on Yiddish 24, on YouTube, on this, and everybody's going to be able to swipe up. So if you still watch it, before we make the raffle, you could send your message in, whoever that actor is, or Rabbi Michal, open the yeshiva to 347-563-5219. That's my number. Sign up to my status, and you'll be in the giveaway. Thank you so much, Baruch.
Freiliche Chanukah.
Freiliche Chanukah.